Check out a few other things here you can do with your images inside of iMovie on the iPad. Okay, so if you can see, there's a couple of images here I've already got in my presentation, a few recordings, but then say I want to have this image here put in a different type of way. I've got these 4 different options, which are really quite fun to throw in and to mix up your presentation. Green, blue screen might be a little bit tricky, but the other 3 you certainly can. Picture in picture. Okay, that's really quite effective. So you can see there, if you're having a main scene there.
1915.
Oh, I'll just mute my audio. So if I click that, I could just go ahead and go volume, and I can just turn that down, just so you can focus on the image here. So it's quite cool. You can move this down here, okay, and you can make it smaller as well. Oh, so hold on to it, move it down there. Okay, so it's quite clever how you can then have this image appearing with inside the image. Okay, and you can also choose, if you click on it and click on the screen up here, you can then move that image here. If you press the star button, you can then drag it around, and you can even pinch it as well to resize it. Okay, or you can even then press this magnifying glass here, and you can pinch to zoom into it as well. So a really cool feature, which I encourage you to check out. Okay, so then as well, if I go like that, let's see what it looks like now. Okay, so you can see there, I've got the picture appearing and then it goes away. If I try and insert the picture again, 3 dots, I've got picture in picture, which we just used, cutaway. Okay, so that's where, okay, you've got your main picture going and it does cut away briefly to this other picture. And you can make that cutaway again as long or as short as you want. So if I make it short here, okay, you can go and it cuts away.
S10.
Alright, but the thing is as well, if you click on this, you can click on overlay. Oh, not in there. You've got different filters that you can choose, which will be quite effective too. So definitely check out your different filters, they're pretty fantastic. Okay, and overlays can be quite effective for you too. Last thing to show you, the other one there for the moment, split screen, which I think is quite cool as well. Okay, so that's where you can see obviously the 2 screens running at the same time. Okay, so click there, magic 3 dots, and check out cutaway, picture in picture, and split screen. They're really useful to use with iMovie.